Hi. In this video, we will quickly tell you about CallRail for local business. With CallRail, working on a job doesn't have to mean sacrificing new ones. Call and form tracking tools let you understand when, how, and why you miss calls so you can tighten up response times. Our mobile app keeps you connected wherever you are. Plus, you'll know which ad, keyword, or promotion spurred an incoming call before you even answer the phone. Make every call count. Track. Match all your inbound calls to online or offline marketing campaigns. Analyze, gain the insights you need to spark growth. See every interaction with your ads, keywords, and campaigns. Improve. Knowing is only the first step. Take action on your call tracking data to maximize conversion rates, refocus your marketing budget, and enhance your lead generation strategies. Convert. Turn more prospects into lifelong customers thanks to smart lead handling features that ensure calls are always routed to representatives that are trained and available to help. Why call tracking is the foundation of stress-free health options customer experiences. Peter Colin started Stress-Free Health Options to simplify the health insurance marketplace for Medicare recipients and connect them to affordable insurance options. SFHO initially implemented call tracking for weekly ad optimization, but Peter began to wonder, how else could CallRail help him grow his business without impacting his industry-leading customer service? Add Lead Center to unlock the complete CallRail platform. With Lead Center, you can sell, text, and chat from one easy-to-use form inbox. Combined with our analytics suite, you'll also have the real-time visibility to know which marketing sources are making your phone ring. 10 local numbers, 1,000 form submissions, 10,000 transcription minutes, unlimited soft phone minutes, unlimited SMS text messages. Join the most successful businesses on the planet. CallRail is a service that tracks and manages your phone leads, helping businesses to determine which marketing campaigns are driving quality leads. Thank you. I hope that information helped. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about CallRail and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.